Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer and I do lifestyle, fashion, and vlogs. So today we are doing 5 ways to style a flannel / plaid shirt. The one that I have is an Amazon one and it's from Dickies, and I'm styling it a couple different ways. These are the ones that I have come up with. So the first outfit that I have using the shirt is worn with this Old Navy maxi dress, and you'll see it in the B-roll. This one's in a size large. These run extremely big, so I got a size large. So you can use the flannel shirt to tie it up, which I showed you, or you could just leave it open. Either way is super cute, or you could actually tie it around your waist. But this dress is very long on me, so normally I have to tie something around my waist when I wear it. I styled it with those Steve Madden shoes that I always wear on here. I swear I wear those so much. Okay, so the next outfit that I have is using a shorter dress to style with the flannel dress. You can actually pair this dress with some over-the-knee boots, which I don't currently have. I cleaned out a bunch of stuff, so I don't currently have that. That's missing in my wardrobe that I need to still repurchase. But I use this Old Navy dress, and this is in a size extra large, and I just paired it with that flannel shirt again. And you can tie it up to define your waist, or you can leave it open. Both ways are so cute. And then I paired it with those same Steve Madden shoes. It's like 100 degrees still, so it's hard to get in the mindset of warmer clothes because I'm literally sweating. That's all I have to say. I'm sweating. I buttoned up the shirt and I just tucked it into these Madewell jeans in a faded black wash. These are the 9-inch high-rise skinny and a 35 petite. So these are really nice. I like these a lot. I wear these quite often. I know skinny jeans are like going out of style, but I still wear them. I wear these all the time. You guys, I don't know what brand shoes these are, but I wear these all the time. I don't remember where I got them. But these are super cute. I also have a black pair, and they have just like a little bit of a heel. You can add a denim jacket with it. I've had this one forever, and they still have it. It's a Levi jacket, denim jacket. And this is in a size 2X. I love this jacket. I have this one, and I have an Old Navy one. I only kept 2. I want to get one with like distressing, so comment below if you guys know good jacket, denim jacket I can get that has a little bit of distressing, not a whole ton. I just want a little bit. And I changed, and my favorite Amazon jacket. I cannot wait to wear this thing. So you can use any like cargo utility jacket. So I put this on with it. Super cute. I feel like I'm gonna wear this jacket like with everything. Okay, so outfit that I have, I'm actually wearing the jeans. You'll see. I paired with this fall shirt that I'm currently wearing, and it's super cute. I believe I got it from Daisy Rose or Rosie Days, Casey Holmes company, which I'm not gonna order from there anymore. pretty bad experience. Like the 2 times that I ordered from there, and the people were pretty snarky towards me. So I don't know if I would recommend ordering from there, but I know Etsy, and there's a lot of cute pumpkin spice shirts out there. You can actually use any sort of graphic tee with it. And then my Madewell skinny jeans. And then I paired it with the Dr. Scholl's slips. They are in leopard because, you know, if you know a girl, you know she likes leopard. You know she likes all sorts of leopard, but the leopard can't be like too fake looking because then she doesn't like it. I was gonna pair it with leggings, but this one is not long enough to cover my butt, and I like my butt covered when I'm wearing leggings. So I wouldn't wear this one with leggings, but I know that a lot of girls are getting to the men's department in Walmart because they have like $9 flannels you can wear, and those ones, the ones that I tried on from there, were longer, so you could definitely get away with wearing leggings with those. Those and little booties or even like sneakers would be super cute. So good. Pair my North Face vest over it with some jeans. Would be super cute. I can't believe I forgot to show you guys this. But this would be so cute over it, and it would keep you super warm. This thing keeps me really, really warm. I believe this is in a size extra, extra large. And I've had that thing forever. North Face lasts forever. Had that for like 3 or 4 years. So anyways. Hi guys. I'm back, just chilling on the couch and looking through some of the footage that I have. I actually forgot to tell you guys that I bought the flannel shirt and put it with my universal thread shorts, and those are in a size 20, I believe. And then I did it with my Adidas tennies, which are super cute. I love those shoes. I used to not like them because they were so clunky, but now I love them. So I think they're called the Superstars, and I wear a 7.5 in Adidas because I always have to go down a half size with them because they run big on me. So that's all I wanted to say. Okay, back to the video. If there's any other videos you want to see below, let me know. I think that will conclude today's video. I know it's short and sweet, but I think it's just a little extra video going off of that Amazon haul that I had, that huge Amazon haul. So if you like this video, and like the video, and I will talk to you guys the next time. Thanks, guys. Ugh, it's 100 degrees in here. Why is it so hot? Hot.